Some things to think about is that parents show a wide range in terms of their ability and willingness to accept their kids' gender or sexual orientation. So some will need a lot more time and education to help them adjust than others. It's always a good idea to plan a conversation for when your parents are in a fairly calm and receptive frame of mind, and to let them know you have something important to share with them to kind of get them prepared. Let them know about your identity, what language you have for your identity, if you know, and how you've come to learn that this is your authentic identity. All of that helps them to get caught up and understand how to best support you. Help them to see that you're taking a risk by having this conversation with them, and that it's an act of trust. If your parents have a negative reaction to the news, you might want to give them some space and get yourself some support from a friend or someone else who already knows and accepts your identity. And remember that their initial reaction is not their forever reaction, and that they may need space, time, education in order to catch up and be more ready to embrace you for your full, authentic self. However, sometimes you may be happily surprised at how welcoming your parents turn out to be right from the start. So good to be open to all possible outcomes.